Okay, let's get this up. Let's see. What is up? Jalen will be back on Thursday. Let's get that going. So I'm not really seeing much on UnQ as far as today. We're super choppy, and we did set an all-time high. So I'll probably focus more on gold than anything. Nope, not a fake TikTok account. Shannon is still on vacation for the next 3 days. I will be here. And then he comes back, and you guys will get him back. Tell him how much you guys missed him. I'll be watching gold more today. Just because I don't like that we're still at all-time highs on NQ. Keep setting them. I'll still watch NQ though. Maybe we could get good opportunity on a pullback. Other than that, gold looks like it wants to break out and up, so I'm gonna be watching that. I'll look for a pullback on NQ for longs. NQ or gold's looking like it wants to break out of this trend. We shall see what gold wants to give us. I traded gold on Friday. Caught like 10 points. That wasn't too bad. Thank you. Market opens in 1 minute. It was good. My weekend was good. Just hang out with my family. That's about it. How was your weekend? I'm interested in this 29,000 level. $29,000 ish. Could watch that. Super overextended. I think we can hit 30,000 and then we're gonna have a huge pullback if we want to keep trending up. That's where I see us. Final boss level. No, I don't trade IBIT. I trade NQ and gold futures. Market is now open. See what we want to do. I'm just gonna sit here patient for a while. Just wait. Well, we're getting that push up on NQ so far. Let me fix my gold chart for you guys. Why is this in Tesla? See. There we go. There we go, my friend. What up? This is NQ on left chart. Gold is sitting at 47.45. Good morning, guys. Looks like we want to break that high. We literally hit it to a T. He didn't set all-time high just yet. You could have just bought longs at the open. What do you mean you can't see the charts? Let's see. There. New all-time high on NQ again. I'm gonna watch gold more than NQ right now. I don't like trading NQ at all-time highs that much. Wow. It's gone. These are 5 minutes. 5-minute charts. Or no, I think this one might be a 15-minute. Let me see. Oh, look at that sell off. There we go. Damn, we're selling off. Oh, it should be working. I don't know what's been up with this mic. Hasn't been working correctly. Damn it. Getting a big pullback on NQ. I have a feeling that we're gonna come test it and then push back up. Yo, Gene, I requested my payout Friday on FFF and just got approved. How long to receive the payout in my Rise account? You should receive it by the end of today, if not tomorrow. It's starting to bounce on NQ. I have 3 days of payouts approved, still waiting on Rise. They should send them pretty fast. They were always pretty fast with me. But then again, they've changed their whole payout structure from when I was trading Symphonid accounts with them. They added no payout window days, and then they added 5 days to payout. So that might have changed things a little bit from when I would get payouts. When I was on my live account, they would send it pretty instantly, but I feel like it's because I was a live trader. So there was less like to approve. And they had specific people to deal with that. Can you guys hear me now? Good or no? I used to having issues. Nice. Yeah, I don't know. It's weird. I don't know what's up with this mic. I unplugged it and plugged it back in. Now it seems to be working okay. What I'd really like to see on gold is if we could push past this 760 level, have a nice close above Friday's high, and get a pullback into it for longs. That's what I'd like to see. We got 2 minutes left till we close this first 15 minute. We do have a 100-point range so far. What's CS doing? ES is really pushing. About it. Yep. New all-time high on ES. Man, ES is gone. We're ripping on ES. We just closed that 15-minute. Should we close that? 15-minute chart. It is Monday. I am going to be more patient going into the week, especially with us just climbing all-time highs every day. I think we've set a new all-time high every day for the last, let's see, what day do we break it? Is that previous all-time highs? How many days have we broken it? Let's see. Pretty much all-time high since the 16th of April. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, since April we broke all-time highs. We've been setting an all-time high pretty much all of last week. It's kind of crazy. It's kind of crazy, guys. I think we're gonna hit that 30K, honestly. We're not far from it. We're like 600 points away from it on NQ. I haven't traded anything yet, but I am watching NQ and gold. Those are the two things I'm watching today. Let's see. It's our London low down here. High right there. Still in this 15-minute range. We retraced to like the 50% retracement of the 15-minute range and bounced. We're rejecting off of that supply on gold. I don't really have nothing on watch just yet. I'm trying to let the market develop before I figure out what I want. The tickers we're looking at is NQ futures and gold futures. How long do FFF payouts take? Typically, when I was trading with them, if I submitted, they had payout windows at the time. If I submitted on a Thursday, I would have the money in my account by the end of Thursday. Yeah. So it doesn't really take long. I'd give it like a day or two. That's how long they would take with me. But you got to factor in with the no payout window and then the 5 days only instead of 7. That might change things up a bit. They might have more requests than they did previously. Okay, we're getting a bit of a sell-off. We're just gonna wait patient, guys. It's Monday. We still have a whole week of trading. I will be right back. I'm gonna use the bathroom real quick. Come back. How are you doing, Jonathan? We are back at this level. Yeah, for sure, bro. That's why I've been liking gold lately. Gold's just, it's easier to trade when you're not all-time highs. That's why I think having a backup is always great. See if NQ can hold this 330. If it doesn't, we might end up having a red day on NASDAQ. Went right through it. So my next thought process would be if we can manage to sell off below, let's call it 280. That's our low of range. And if we start setting up bearish, I will look for a short on NQ. If I did end up taking a short at all-time highs, I would take it a lot, with a lot less size, just letting you guys know. I miss Jadon too. He will be back on Thursday. It's almost been a whole week that we've been together. Congratulations. You guys made it through most of the storm. I'll be trading with you guys on Thursday, and then, or Tuesday, and then Wednesday, and then Jadon will be back for Thursday and Friday. Nope, no big plans. Just honestly doing some errands today after trading. That's about it. Thank you, Jeff. I do stream. I actually stream the Asia session. Oh yeah, Adrian. If it's your first time trading or getting a payout through Rise, that's always a longer process. Yeah, I am gonna be streaming Asia. What's up, Jackie? This is my. So I've been using Jadon's just because it's easier, but this is my TikTok account. You guys go ahead, give me a follow. Thursday I will be back on my own account, and that is my account there. Rise does take forever, especially when you get flagged. I've gotten flagged because I have 2 accounts with them, and they have identical information, just only different emails, and I've gotten flagged. I use YouTube too. I'm supposed to be starting on the Team Bull channel here soon. I think we're gonna have a better week this week, though, guys. Yeah, I have a spray tan. You guys gonna be surprised when Jadon comes back. He's gonna have a good tan going. We're gonna be really twins. This will really tell us if we're gonna trend up for the day or if we're gonna trend down. Is if we can hold this area here on like 300 to 280. We shall see, guys. time is it? It's 8 o'clock now. We close below the EMAs and below VWAP. There's a good chance that we want to trend down. Gold's starting to push down. Good morning, Charles. Waterfield. I gotta start this over. There. And look at that move down on gold. No. My dream car? I guess I'd want a Storado. That's really it. I don't really have a dream car. I want a truck. That's about it. Our office is in Littleton, Colorado. You guys staying patient, choosing DOD. Man, gold is really falling. What's NQ doing? Or no, ES. ES is having a little bit of a pullback. Check out the hourly on gold. There's no one here today. We only have people in on Fridays. I live in Denver. There's our hour 21. We're still in this 15-minute range. I'm not really loving anything just yet. Not really looking for anything on gold. Kind of just selling off. Do want to see how we react down at this 4708.5. There is no other person talking. It's only me. Let me see. Let's see. What's ES doing? Let's see. Almost 45 minutes in. Still just waiting. Not in love with anything just yet. Gold is starting to bounce. Can you guys not hear me? Yeah, you guys can hear me. He just sits in mute. What are you talking about, bro? I don't trade for value gaps. It is slow right now. We're just waiting though. Still not in love with anything just yet. I'm gonna be patient. Man keeps pushing. Honestly, I think that's definitely possible for us to hit 30K this week. Nope, we haven't taken any trades yet. We are just waiting and chilling. Yeah, I agree with you. The longs were nice on NQ, but they didn't follow my setup quite either. We were just we fell below VWAP and fell below my EMAs. That's why I didn't really like it too much. Yeah, I seen that, Jacob. So typically, if I'm taking a long before we hit the all-time high, my price target will be the all-time high, and then I'll go 20, 30, 40, 50 points above it. Trail stops. Would love to get a nuker trade. Yeah, pretty much it has been up. Facts, boss May. Is this still not working, my mic? It says it's working. Let me listen. Alright. Yeah, it's working on my end. I put it in my AirPod. So it has to be it has to be something with your system, not mine. Hoo hoo hoo. Where do we open? We opened here. Nope, no trades just yet. Haven't really been liking too much. We've been pretty slow this morning so far. No clear setups for me just yet. But I'm sure we will find something. We just gotta be patient, guys. So what trading's about is just waiting. If we don't get our setup, it's fine. There's always, the rest of the week. Appreciate you, DGL. PA is slow. The longs don't look terrible. It just, we've lost momentum pushing up. The volume's been getting lower. Even if you look at this candle here, this last 5 minute we just had, we had a pretty decent volume, but candle got smaller than the one before. Yeah, typical Monday behavior. That's why we wait. Let's check the news. Oh, what's today? Monday, the 11th. We have core CPI tomorrow, 7:30. So 6:30 Mountain Time, 8:30 Eastern. And then Wednesday we have core PPI, 8:30 Eastern. Retail sales Thursday. That's really it. What about for Asia session? We have some yellow folder coming out. Other than that, though, we don't have much for Asia session. at 6:30 p.m. Or no, that was yesterday. 6:30 tomorrow. We do have some Australian news coming out. That's really it. We don't have much news this week. We are getting a pullback on NQ. Wow, what a sell off. What the heck? Was Jaden talking in here? Kicked me out. Yeah, Jaden was in the NBA. Closed right at that 280. Part of me wants to try some NQ shorts. Let's see how we close this 5-minute candle. Wow. Bounce at that low down there. Kind of makes me hesitate a little bit. Yeah, I did, Jonathan. Pretty gruesome. Part of me wants to try some shorts, but don't really like the risk just yet. I'm watching it though. Well, my only thing is we did bounce and recover that full drop. We bounced at 245. Not really liking that. I kind of have a feeling that we're just going to come back up in here and chop. And we bounced over 50 points just on that move up. Let's see we react to this 300. Okay, guys, so I'm going to wait. I want to see it close below 280 for orb close, and then I'll look for shorts. That's what I'm going to do. Yeah, I have a feeling that we're just gonna literally just bounce and come chop back up in this range again. And if I would have, ripped the shorts where at 300, we would already been down like almost 15 points. That's why it's best to just be patient and not deviate and get FOMO. Starting to reject my EMAs here at this priority close. Watching how we're acting right here. Got like a minute and a half left on this 5 minute. I gotta start the live over again on TikTok, guys. Keeps restricting me. Join back up. About 40 seconds left on this candle here. Okay, yeah, I'm not liking shorts too much anymore. We just keep chopping now. A little bit over an hour in. We are starting to reject my 61.8 retracement. Don't like that we're above the EMAs though. Oh man, I love the elevator music. Can you explain funding and how to go about getting my first? Honestly, so it really depends on your risk parameters, but I say don't spend more than a week on an eval and just go for base hits. Do not oversize if you're trading a 50k. Trade anywhere from 10 to 15 micros and just take base hits. Sorry, it was supposed to be shared and then Jaden kicked me out of the Zoom because we're logged in on the same account. My bad. Keep rejecting like this 75 area. I don't trust it fully for shorts just yet. It's been a rough day today, guys. I really haven't seen much opportunity. I've been trying to be a lot more careful with my trades. And yeah. I do want to see how we react to this area here. Oh man, my back hurts. No, Jaden's dog didn't eat my sock today. Just trying to get some rejection here. Hmm. It's starting to look weak. On NQ's volume is definitely dying down. No, I have not been skiing. All snow's gone out here in Colorado. I want to try some shorts. I just want to wait until this candle closes. I feel like we are starting to die down on momentum to the upside. 20 seconds left on this 5-minute candle. See, we react to the zone up here. I feel like momentum is dying down on NQ. Tapping into the zone. I really want to see how we react to this 400. Come on, get up there to 400. Give me the reaction. Okay, let's see. Let's see. I'm watching. Been pushing on lowering volume. How's this hour looking? Damn, that hour is huge. Oh, man, guys. Man. Nope, I haven't taken anything. I've been very patient. Just been waiting. There we go. Should look better now. Jaden is on vacation. He will be back on Thursday. Honestly, that's all you could be. I could have sat here and called out many trades, and yeah, we could have made money, but I don't want to do that. Because one, it's hard to keep up with, and two, it doesn't teach good habits to you guys. Honestly, I'm open to both. My main thing is really going to be how we close these in the next 3 minutes. The 15 minutes telling me that we're kind of rejecting this zone, and the 5 minute is telling me that we want to push past it. So we're just waiting. I don't trade individuals. Anybody else gonna rip the gym today? What are we hitting at the gym? Chest, yep. Back and buys, legs and cardio. I think I'm gonna do chest today, and then I'm gonna go do some hot works. So cardio. I've been cutting weight. Damn, that's fast. Faster than me for sure. I guess, what is that, like 9 minutes? A mile? I think I could do like 9. I don't know, I haven't ran in a while. Are you gonna run outside or inside? Nice. I have not climbed Manitou Springs yet, but that's something I definitely want to do this summer. Trying to do all the Colorado stuff this summer. I can't wait for skiing, guys. I'm ready for fall and winter to come back. I hate the summer. It's too hot. Hmm. Watching here, guys. Let's see. Uh, hmm. I'm covering for Jalen. He's on vacation. I think possible shorts too, but patience is killing me today. I have not done a 14er yet. You gotta understand, like, when you're from Denver, you don't really do outdoor activity like that in the mountains. I know, but we never really went growing up to the mountains too much. Alright, guys, I'm gonna try some NQ shorts here. I'm gonna try them light, just because we have been a little weird today. I want to see if we get a move down to like 50. Tried some NQ shorts, got filled at like 90. Have like a 20-point stop or so. We just are starting to look weak, and we are pushing up on lowering volume. And come on. We are starting to reject that 400 as we pulled up to it. Somewhat good sign. What's yes doing? Yes, just made a new high of day. Come on. Come on, push down. Come on. Come on, give me a flush. It's literally. Come on. Down like 5 points here, but we're just chopping back and forth. The stop will probably be above this 412 area. Might stop out before then though. We're just consolidating and starting to get on my nerves. Just no clear direction, honestly. I tried it light though. It's worth a try because if we do fail to go higher, this will be the area that this would be a good entry. Well, just chopping back and forth. Oh, we're close to getting stopped. we get stopped, I'm honestly just gonna call it a day. There's nothing else I like. Tried it though. We were green like 10 points or so. Yeah, I'm in shorts on NQ. Tight wrist, come down like 10 points right here. Not terrible. It's very slow. We're literally just chopping. We are nearly at break even, so if you guys don't like these, you can always cut it too. I would like to see 350 off this. Come on. We are a little green. If you guys don't like this, you can always cut it. I'm not in a lot of size, so I'm just gonna let it go. $350 would be nice to get. Come on, fly down. I gotta pee real quick, guys. You guys, I put my hard stop in and my take profit down there at 340. I'll be right back. Yo, it's going! Come on! Push down! Push down! Push down, please! We hit like 30 points right there, guys. You guys can take a trim if you'd like. It might bounce here. I did take a little off down there, just to be safe. You guys honestly could set your stop to break even if you want to be a little bit more risk adverse. For the rest of the week until Thursday, I'll be streaming on this channel. And then when I go back to my own channel, once Jaden's back, I will switch. We did bounce at that 8 EMA on the 15. We're up 30 points though, which ain't bad. Hope you guys took a trim down there. When you get fast spikes down, you guys always want to take a little off just in case you get what it's doing now, where it pushes back up. Didn't stop out yet. Considering closing the rest of these, depending on if we push past this 90. I trade on the Team Bull Trading YouTube channel. You want me to go pee again? Okay, let me walk off. Oh, hold on, I'm not done peeing yet. Let me walk off. Oh, well. I would love to see Yankee just die. Yeah, literally. This chart setup is called NQ barcode. Literally. Die. Die, NQ. Die. Come on, give me 29,300. I did trim on that first move down. It wasn't quite where I wanted it, but took a couple cons off to guarantee me green. Literally. I think I just need to walk away for the day and it'll hit. I'll be right back. No! Go down! Go down! Not the Zin proof. Come on. Oh, I don't know if we're gonna get it, guys. I do. I like a lot of different types of music. I even like classical. My two favorite instruments in music are guitar and piano. Come on, Trump. Say that the war is never gonna end. I used to play saxophone. I played saxophone, trombone, piano. I think that's it. I want to get back into playing piano. Alright, guys, I'm gonna close the rest right here. I'm slightly green on the day, not too bad, but at least we're not red. Wasn't too bad. We were up 30 points. Not bad for a barcode day like today. But I have to head out, guys. It was good 2 hours with you. Hopefully we get more opportunity tomorrow. If you guys do continue to trade smart and trade safe and choose DOD. Alright, guys. Have a wonderful rest of your day. I will see you guys tomorrow. Or later on today, actually, for Asia. Peace out, guys.